Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Aaron, and today we are bringing you an update on Project Big Boss. The engine that was in the teardown video has been at the machine shop for just about a year. I don't know if it's over or under. But anyways, that engine has been at the machine shop for at least a year now. We got the pistons. Update on that also, the cylinder heads ended up being cracked, so I had found another spare motor quite some time ago. It was cheap, it was 150 bucks. Stripped it down, and also the crank was junk in the other one too. Found out it was cracked, so it was useless. So the spare motor, we pulled the crank out of that, it was good, and we also sent those cylinder heads in to get inspected. They were also D3 heads. We've met some new people since then also, one of them being a performance parts supplier, and he's also a drag racer, and he has one of the most powerful big block Fords in Western Canada, and he helped us save some money already. We'll just say debunking some myths, parts, what to use, what not to use, where you're wasting your money. And yeah, so we're going to try doing some parts through him. It really helps that he's somewhat local. He's at least in Canada, so don't have to worry about shipping from the States, shipping cost, exchange rate, etc., etc. So anyways, so continuing on, so yes, our other motor is at the machine shop still, but we're going to try going a different route here. As you can see, there's something behind me here. So let me show you what it is. So we have here 93 F-250. As you can see, I've already gotten pretty deep into it. So the cab is off. You can see the wiring all piled on top there. This is a 460 big block, but is an EFI. So this is what we're going to attempt to drop in for the moment. As you can see, it's already mated to a standard transmission, but it's a four-wheel drive. I do have a two-wheel drive transmission in storage, so we just have to swap the transmissions over, and we'll be a lot closer to being on the road than I was before I found this donor truck. So I did have it sputter, so it should be a runner. We might have maybe some fueling issues once I really get into it, but it should be a running motor. We've got compression, and when fuel was added, it did spit and sputter, so it means we also have spark. So we'll see what happens when we get it in there, and hopefully we got a good deal on this. So for now, we're going to try and throw this 460 EFI into Project Big Boss, and hopefully everything works out. It is a bit of a gamble, so let's just keep our fingers crossed that this will pan out. So that's all I got for you guys today, short and sweet. I would set up the tripod and film torching out the rest of this motor, but it's pretty late here tonight, and I just want to get it out, get it done, and get to bed. So that's all for tonight, guys, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.